Hello, today I'm going to be explaining the ping test. The ping test will tell you how long in milliseconds it'll take for your computer to respond to your input for certain network addresses and things of that nature. So I'm doing this from a MacBook, which is a little different from if you're using a Windows computer. This For this to work, you're gonna want to come up to this search bar up here. So you're gonna want to go to your search bar, and you're gonna want to enter network utility. When you click that, it's gonna pop you up to a page that looks exactly like this. So this is called the ping test. So you're gonna go to ping right here. You're gonna click. So you're gonna enter like a network address to ping. For me, because I'm on Blackboard all the time, I want to see how long it's gonna take everything I put into Blackboard to uh, to be sent and received by my computer. So I'm gonna type in sdccd dot blackboard.com and click enter. And I'm only gonna send 10 pings, and it's gonna work, and and you'll know when it stops. Perfect. So I sent 10 packets, and packets are just uh, are bits of information. And I got 10 back. So pinging basically means you're just setting them out to that website, and you're getting them back again, and you're seeing how long it takes for you to send them and get them back. So it took um so as you can see, they were all in the 90s. So this first number right here is the minimum, is the fastest time that it took to come back, and that was 90.779 milliseconds. This right here shows you the average, and it took on average 91.935 milliseconds. The maximum was 92.827, and the standard deviation here was only 0.632. So which means that it's pretty accurate in the times, and that it's not really gonna deviate much from this average. So it's gonna deviate less than a millisecond from this average, which is nice. Um, so this tells me that if I ever go onto Blackboard and I'm doing things on Blackboard, it's going to take on average 91.935 milliseconds of time to have my computer respond to my input on that website. You can do this with a lot of different websites and a lot of different networks, um, and it will give you different times. So for anybody who likes games, if you want to go on to addictinggames.com and ping, this will tell you how long it'll take you tell you how long on this website it'll take for your computer to respond to your input. So again, the minimum was 26 milliseconds. As you can see, it takes less time. It would take less time for me to enter information, have my computer respond to it on this website rather than on Blackboard. It took an average of 28.468 and the maximum of 32.682. So, and the standard deviation here is 1.998, which means there's just more room for variation here. So it could go a very little bit faster, a very little bit slower. The time that you should worry is when this number is much higher. If this number is at 10 or 20 or 30 or 40 standard deviations, that means it can range from much faster to much slower, or higher than that. It could mean it's just going to be much faster or slower. It just has a bigger variation. Um, and this is a great way to test your network and your Wi-Fi connections, and it's just a great way to see how your computer will respond on different websites. If there's one specific website that's running slower, if you ping it here and it shows up like that, then that's just why it's that website, and there are other ways to fix that. Thank you for watching this. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope this helps you guys out in the future. Thank you.